My day is mostly spent in an office. If I'm lucky, I'm on set. We do so as a network executive. A lot of my day is spent taking pitches. So Michael will come in and pitch me an idea, and we'll sit there and talk about it for half an hour, whatever it takes, and talk about ways it can be on brand for us, ways it might not be, and if it's not, how to make it more on brand for us. And so my job, really, a lot of it is hearing people's ideas and giving them feedback, and then eventually buying those ideas. Hopefully, that's the goal, and basically working with producers hand in hand to develop these ideas to make sort of into packages that can then get greenlit to series. So half of my day is spent, taking pitches, even coming up with ideas myself. I do a lot of internal development, as do many people on my team. So we'll brainstorm together. We'll come up with ideas that we will then farm out to production companies. And then the rest of my day is really spent overseeing the ideas that are already in development that I have bought. So also, similar to what Michael was saying, there's anywhere from 10 to 20 projects in play at a time per person. So we have quite a small team as well. So we're all sort of working very hard. So a lot of my days overseeing those projects, coming in, if there's paper that I have to note, or a casting, sometimes if, let's say we're casting for, or let's say we're developing another Real Housewives show. I developed the Real Housewives of Dallas, and so during that process I saw, tens and tens of Skype interviews of women who were viable for that show. And so my job is to really identify the best group of people for that show, if it's an ensemble or if it's a format. My job is to craft that project so that it feels like it's something that could be on our air. So that's a lot of my day. And then if we're shooting a pilot or if we're shooting a presentation, which is sort of like a mini pilot, I'll be on set with the team and be sort of overseeing it or giving more sort of my 2 cents as far as the things that make it feel like Bravo versus another network. That's really what I'm there for. It's not so much to dictate anything as much as it is to just make sure it feels like it's the right thing for our brand. So that's sort of the basics of it.